Welcome, my name is Tova and I am the founder of Sparked EarSeeds. A lot of people think that wellness has to look like that. But we don't. We believe it can look like this and like this and like this. Sparked is a brand built for color-loving artists, creatives, people who love to push boundaries, self-express, and share their light with other people. You got your LHLA collab earseed kit, and I want to tell you what it is. But before I dive in, I'm going to answer the number one question that we get over here at Sparked EarSeeds, and that is, what the fuck's an earseed? Good question. Happy to answer. An earseed is an ear acupressure point stimulator. It's a tiny little pellet that sits on the surface of the ear and stimulates nerve endings that live there. Those nerve endings send messages to your brain, and your brain sends messages to your body to help your body create homeostasis, which is balance. Most people don't know shit about earseeds, but we do, because we teach this stuff at expert levels over at EarSeeds Academy. It's based in science and it's real. It's great for anxiety, stress, headaches, physical pain, like all kinds of things. And it looks friggin' fantastic. They give you a little tour of the ear, share with you the different parts, what they correlate to, and then go through the product that you received to show you what points you can use for yourself, your clients, your friends, your family, to help them feel fantastic inside and out. Before I get started, I also want to say, since you're here at the LHLA collab page, you must be special. So you can use this code to grab 11% off anything on the Sparked EarSeeds website through this date. All right, let's dive right in. So here's the basics. The ear is like a microsystem of the entire body. There are parts on the ear that correlate to every different part of the body, both internal, external. If you look at this little picture and you squint real quick, you can see it. This is the head. This area is where we focus for things like headaches. This is the spine, the neck and shoulders, the lower back. This is the skin and the arm, and it comes around into the concha. And this is all your internal organs, the heart, the lungs, the digestive tract. It's freaking fascinating. So when you know where to go, what points to use, you can affect all sorts of things in the body. Who'd have thunk it? So these are your earseeds. They're Swarovski crystal on the front and these 24 karat gold pellets on the back. They're the highest quality jewelry grade pellets on the market. And that medical grade tape is what holds them in place. You're gonna take an alcohol prep pad, clean the entire ear. Make sure it's dry. Then you're gonna take your tweezers, peel it apart, reach in, and peel off your ear seed. These are a bunch of emotional points. They're great. So we're gonna start at the top of the list with Shenmen. Shenmen is a master point. You're always gonna wanna use it. It just makes you feel amazing. You see this little triangle right here? You're gonna find the corner of that triangle and you're gonna go in a little bit and you're gonna go up just a little bit, and that's where you're gonna find your Shenmen point. So you're kind of gonna hover and then use your index finger to press down, pull your tweezer away. And this is pressure sensitive tape. So you're gonna wanna give it a minute, just press firmly in one place, and that's it. It's done. Next, we're gonna do the sympathetic point. That's there. That's associated with your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So for that one, it's a hidden point. So we're gonna use our plain gold ear seeds. See this little bottom here? We call that the ridge, and we call this the curve. And this point is tucked away inside of there. Such a powerful point. Hold it in place, get that pressure sensitive going. Point 0. Follow the curve to the end where it hits the base of the concha. This point is associated with your vagus nerve. If you want to search your vagus nerve, outer ear stimulation, you're going to find a whole bunch of really, really cool shit. We follow the line and we all good. Whew. One of my favorite points, the heart point. It is in the center and deepest part of the concha, right over there. The pineal gland is great for circadian rhythm, your sleep-wake cycle. And it's over there at the bottom of the tragus. I'm going to use one of these because they're pretty. Right there. Press. Excitement point is hidden behind the antitragus. Use. Master Cerebral. This one's great for memory. And it's right here where the ear meets the face, a little over. So these are just a couple of the points that you might want to use in the other product that you got. This is part of our primary collection. In the back is a little flip open pocket, and in there, a whole bunch of points for a whole bunch of different conditions. So you can have fun, play around, mix and match, and find the points that work for you, work for your clients, and make everybody around you feel like $1,000,000. So before I let you go, I just have one quick question, and that is, what gets you sparked?